In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a quick tips design slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have created this particular slide so that I can paste it on the wall, or I can share it with my colleagues or friends to give some tips. Okay, so here I've just added one red background with quick tips. You can see here the text. You can replace your own text with, and then I've added three options with icon, and then I've said tip number 1, tip number 2, and tip number 3 with some detailed text. And if you'd like to add some general tip also, you can just add it here in details. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and I have used Office 2019 version to do this. If you're using the older version like 2007 or 2010, some features may not be available. So I highly recommend you to use the latest version of PowerPoint. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the rectangle, draw the rectangle, this much size, shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill. You can give any color of your choice. I'm giving red here. Then go to Insert, Shapes. I'm going to add one more rectangle here, covering almost this much part of the slide. You can see here. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill. I'm going to give some a blue background here. And then if you want to give a curve shape here, for that you need to go to Shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape, something like this. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill, give some different color to differentiate from the blue. So go right mouse click, go to Format Shape and transparent it somewhat, and then I'm just going to put it something like this. You can see here this much part only I'm going to cut it. So select this blue rectangle, hold the shift key, select the oval shape, merge shape. I can subtract it, so you can see here I end up getting a shape something like this. The next thing is, if you like to add one more white or other color line here, border here, you can do it by pressing Ctrl D, and this shape fill I'm going to give this yellow color and reduce the size. You can see here and put it here like this. So this is also done. Now go to Insert, Shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the diagonal corners rounded rectangle, draw it. Depending on your requirement, you can increase or decrease the size. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, for the time being you can just give any color of your choice. Maybe I'm going to give this color. Alright, then I'm going to hold the Ctrl Shift key and drag it. So one more and one more here. So I've got three these shapes, and then I'm going to cut this into halves. For that, go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle like this. Alright, then I'm just going to select this shape, hold the shift key, this one, and this one. The four shapes I've selected, merge shape and make it fragment. Once you fragment this one, you can just delete the unwanted shape, and you can see here it got cut into different shapes. Okay, and then select both of the bottom one, and shape fill, you can give any dark color of your choice. So now let's add some text here. So go to Insert, Text Box. I'm just going to type quick tips, or you can just type any text of your choice. Select this one, you can make it this one, which is rotate all text. Alright, and increase the size like this and put it here. And I'm going to choose the white font, and I'm going to change the font to Roboto or any font of your choice. Let me just increase the size, center align, and you can see here you can make it bold also. So like this, I've added the quick tips here, and then you can add some icon and some detailed text here. For that, go to Insert, Icons, and I'm going to choose three different icons depending on your requirement. You can see here I can choose this one, and could be say this one. Click Insert, and move it aside, and then I'm going to make this as 1.5, increase the size, and shape fill I'm going to make it white, and then I'm just going to put this one here, this one here, and this will come here. All right, so once this is done, you can go to insert text box, add the text here. I'm just going to say option 1, or you can make it say tip number 1 or whatever. So for this I'm going to give yellow color, Roboto, or any other font of your choice. If you want, you can make it bold also and put it exactly in the center. All right, and then hold the Control Shift key together and drag it. You can see here again, hold the Control Shift key and drag it. So this is option number 2 and this is option number 3, and then add some detailed text. So go to insert text box, equals LOREM within bracket 1, and I'm going to delete the unwanted text, reduce the size, make it white, center align. You can see here something like this, and this also just copy and paste it, drag and drop. You can see something like this. And once this is done, if you would like to add one more general tip here, you can add it. So go to insert shapes, and I'm going to choose the rounded corner rectangle, draw the rounded corner rectangle from this end to this end. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can give any dark color, and then press Ctrl D to duplicate this one. Shape outline, I'm going to give it yellow, and then I'm going to give it somewhat thicker, and then the dotted lines you can see here like this. And shape fill, make it no fill here, then bring it down, bring this down and reduce the size depending on this one. All right, and then you can add some more detailed text here, equals LOREM within bracket 1, white font, again Roboto, center align, and that's it. So you can see here we have done this one, and if you like to add more options, you can add more options or different color combinations also you can try.